It's almost as if they made it that easy because they knew people were going to want to replace it. Hey guys, it's Nate. Welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about the top 5 things that I hated about this manual Hellcat. Now, why is that past tense? Because I fixed all of these things. I'm going to show you how you can fix these things too. So the first one is these tires. So let's see if we can get closer. So these are Continental tires. I got Continental Extreme Sport contact tires on this car. The stock tires, I don't know if it's just the all-season Pirellis that come with the car, were garbage. I was sliding all over the place. Maybe the summer tires are better, the same P0 summers, but the all-seasons that came with the car were terrible. I tried the Nitto 555Rs, great tire, just, I mean, they only last like 3,000 to 5,000 miles, and they're expensive tire. Plus, they weren't that great in the rain. These Continentals, I feel, have been great in wet, in dry, and the longevity seems to be pretty good. I'll put a link to you know exactly which tire I got. And I'm running stock size, 275 40/20s. So the other thing why I got you here at the wheel is these Brembos. Beautiful brakes, great stopping power, but the stock pads are super dusty. I changed them out to Power Stop Z23. They're carbon fiber ceramic pads. I felt that those have been pretty good. The stopping power has been pretty much the same. I haven't noticed a difference. I don't track this car. But one thing I can tell you is they are harder compound. Maybe they're going to lead to the rotors wearing out faster. Again, I haven't noticed it. They are way better on the dust. So highly recommend that. But the stock with the tons of dust, I hate. I was cleaning the wheels like every week. So I don't know if you could call this really a hate more than a minor gripe, but I didn't feel like the stock box had that much wine on it, and I love the wine. So I replaced it with this, the leg maker. Really nice piece of kit. I'll put a link to where you can get that. Next two are with the transmission, specifically the shifter. So the stock shifter that comes with a Hellcat, I found it to be super vague, super imprecise, really hard. This is just very sloppy. I'm gonna nickname that stock shifter Sloppy Joe. Easy fix, get an aftermarket shifter. You got a couple options here. I went with the Barton, put a link down for you. You can also get a Hurst, but these are great units. They're built like a tank, super precise. I hardly ever miss a shift. There was that video where I did miss a shift in this, but it's really recommend this upgrade. The other cool thing about this unit, at least on the Barton, is you can replace this ball, so you can put a custom ball if you want. So the other thing with the transmission is stock. This thing will make you go from first to fourth. And you're like, what? And it's not like it's guiding you into fourth, like fourth is where second is. It's like you try to go to second and you get locked down. You're like, what the hell's going on? What's wrong with my transmission? Well, it's because the solenoid activated and blocked out second for you. Similar to how they won't let you go in reverse when you're driving forward so you don't destroy your transmission. Again, easy part to solve. You can get a part, it's like 20 bucks. I'll put a link down in the description where you can get that part from, but that'll open up all the gears. You got a manual because you wanted to shift the gears and you didn't want a computer to shift the gears, but you end up with a car that still tries to get you to shift the gear that it thinks you need next. And I get it. I mean, it's better to pay $20 for a part than pay $1,200 for the gas guzzler tax. But anyways, it's just the thing I hated on the Challenger Hellcat, and it's something that I fixed. And it's a super simple installation. Even the transmission, you could do that. I did this transmission a few hours in my garage. This is before I had the lift. You gotta take all this out, all this trim, pull this out, pull the gear shifter out, then you replace it. But the skip shift eliminator is real easy. You just gotta get under the car, and it's just a little dongle that goes under the transmission. It's almost as if they made it that easy because they knew people were gonna wanna replace it. But hey, you wanna save that gas guzzler tax, you gotta do something, right? I think you're gonna enjoy this next video. Click on it and I'll see you there. Thanks, bye.